Hi, I'm Katie Lawton, and this is how to do an isometric bicep curl and a dead hang. Stand with your back straight and feet hip-width apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with arms extended at your sides. Face your palms forward. Curl the weights toward your shoulders, but stop halfway when your elbows reach a 90-degree bend and your forearms are parallel to the ground. Hold the pose. Beginners should aim for a hold lasting 3 to 10 seconds. Eventually, aim for a hold up to 30 seconds. Slowly uncurl your arms and return to the starting position. Repeat for 3 to 5 sets. Grip an overhead bar with your palms facing forward and your arms shoulder width apart. Lift your feet or step off your bench or stool and begin hanging from the bar. Keep your arms straight and relaxed. Hold for up to 10 seconds to 1 minute before returning to your starting position. Repeat 2 to 3 times.